Raspberry Pi with Arduino via I2C. So you can see the GitHub link and you can go towards this GitHub link. Here are all the codes uploaded with all the details. So here is the circuit diagram. So let us make the circuit with the help of circuit diagram, and the circuit diagram is also uploaded on the GitHub link. So you can communicate with Arduino using the I2C port. So let us start, and I am copying the Raspberry Pi code in the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino code in the Arduino, and then making the circuit diagram. So you can see here is the circuit ready, and according to the circuit diagram, the two grounds are common and SDA and SCL are connected. So let us move towards the Arduino part. You can see the Arduino is also connected, and the code which is provided in the GitHub repository is on the Arduino. Now this code is also available on the GitHub. Let us start, and you can see in the Arduino code we have to we have to tell the address. So after connecting the Arduino and verifying and uploading the code, you have to check the Raspberry Pi code and set the address of the port where the Arduino is connected on I2C. So the code is verified and we are uploading it. So the uploading is also done. So everything is ready. Let us move towards the terminal, and in the terminal we will check on which I2C address our Arduino is connected. So let us see it. So for seeing it, we are writing the command sudo I2C detect -y space 1. This command is also present in the GitHub. We will press enter, and you can see on all the addresses you can find on the 0th line you have seen that there is 08. This is the address of Raspberry Pi. So let me copy the code of Raspberry Pi available on GitHub, and you can see what I have written in the bus address. I have written 08. So everything is ready, and the code circuit is also connected, and the code has been uploaded here. So the Arduino and the uploading of the code is done, and Arduino is connected, and Raspberry Pi is also connected with Arduino via I2C. So there is a code of Raspberry Pi which will send signals to Arduino in the form of 1 and 0, and Arduino will start working as a slave and Raspberry Pi is acting as a master. So the code is started and it is telling me 1 for on. So I am writing here 1 and I will press enter from the keyboard, and you will see. You can see I have pressed 1 and the LED is start glowing, the built-in LED, and I am pressing 0 now. The LED will go off. So I will write 1 and press it again, and when I press it you can see the LED will glow on. So the Raspberry Pi is communicating to Arduino via I2C. So 0, then 1, 0, then 1. You can see it, 0, then 1. So this is the communication of Raspberry Pi via Arduino. So all the code is uploaded on the GitHub. You can find the Raspberry Pi code, the Arduino code, and the circuit diagram as well. The whole circuit and the whole things, connections with the Arduino code, connections and the Raspberry Pi code, all are uploaded on the GitHub. Thank you.